Hello, everybody. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is November the 6th. Okay, let's see what we get, shall we? A little price discovery from this low at the IB extension. Let's party, AJ. Yeah, we missed it. This could be long. This is the weekly VWAP right here at 93. Do we want to try and go long from here? I don't even have my trading platform opened yet. Back test, weekly VWAP. Might have to start with some lower size. It's taking me too long. What are we thinking? Higher? Back test weekly VWAP long. Or is it going to go all the way back down to VWAP? Looking long. I'd like to get us up to 4,000. Here's a weekly VWAP right here. So what I'm thinking is something like this. Ah, nice, JP. We do have a very nice community here. That's for sure. Yes, I took the long at 95.2. Hopefully we don't have a deeper rotation down. Let's also take a look at this value area here. All right, so we're right at the value area high in this distribution. See if he gets bought up here. This is weekly VWAP. Break and back test long is my theory with combined price discovery to the upside. Doesn't really matter. The levels stay the same. Doesn't matter what time frame you look at. VWAP, upper band, little bit lower band, low volume node, structure, the vault profile, they're all independent of time frame. That's the beauty of this system. It's not time frame dependent. Unlike moving averages or the RSI or the MACD that all change. according to the time frame. That's a problem. It's like that's turning into a rejection wick, unfortunately. See if it gets bought up again. Yeah, I guess not. Good morning, Snake. How are you doing today? How's everybody out doing out there? How did we trade today? For those of you that are just waking up, how did you sleep? Jake, let us know what happened today. How did we do? Can NQ hold weekly VWAP here? That's going to be the question. Not looking good. Asia gold is tough, man. I'll tell you what. This is the point of control right here on gold from going back to 12 o'clock today. Come on, gold. Wake up. We want to go up. $393. I have IB low times 2 is down here at 84. 93. This is the 50%. 50% mark. Not, no continuation. Well, that didn't work. Is your IB at 8:20 a.m. to 9:20 a.m., Jake? That's the IB on gold. And then it's just predetermined levels. Oh, you know what? You know what I just realized? No. I was on the 3-minute chart. That gives you the wrong IB levels. That's my fault. You were right. Watch it bounce here at do we try and get in again here? Probably do something like that. That one's working out better. Is this just another anemic bounce on the way down? Yep, VWAP bounce long. Oh, Leonard. Yep. Good VWAP bounce, guys. Good trade. Profit target hit on that one. Right up to upper band. And then this one got stopped out. So I didn't get greedy on this one. We got back up to the band. That was pretty generous, I think. VWAP bounce. If you held it, 34 ticks. Okay. I was just flipping a contract in my Apex account. So that's what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only need one more day. Well, the textbook, Jake, is newer highs, but you have to realize this is only an hour and 20 minutes of VWAP we're trading here. It's way different when we're trading in regular trading hours, Globex VWAP. Very different story. We only had this VWAP for an hour and 20 minutes. So VWAP to upper band is sometimes the more prudent trade. We're in a very tight range. I was right on the gold trade, man. First one was wrong. It's annoying. Hey guys, sorry. I hit the mute button by accident. It's my microphone. If I barely touch it in this one, all I have to do is touch it and it turns on mute. It's new to me. Flip day, Cosmin, is when you need 8 trading days to take a payout at Apex once you've built your profit threshold. 5 of those 8 days need to be $50 or more in profit. The other 3, you can just take a trade like on a micro, open and close it for like a 50 cent or a dollar gain or loss. That's a flip day. You're just getting in like any small trade, so the day counts towards the 8 days you need to take a payout. So you're allowed to flip 3 of the 8 days. You short here? Off 4,000? Likes to be wide and rotational. Why not? Seems to be the theme on gold. You just like to hear the words short gold, JP. Admit it. You don't need a reason. You're in no matter what. Someone say short gold? I'm in. Let's go. Well, the thing was going parabolic. So, I'm not going to get 97. I don't know how much of a short we're going to get out of this thing. So I'm thinking something like this. Just level to level here. All right, Caleb, welcome to the channel. We have a pretty specific system with finite setups. There's a book on Amazon. It's a bestseller book, top 5 futures book right now on Amazon. And then there's a ton of stuff in the Discord as well. I don't run the IB indicator from 8:30. I only run NQ 8:30 to 9:30. I run the IB from 8:20 to 9:20. It's 8:20. I have it at 8:20. I always say 8:20. It's in all my videos, all my content. Oh, going up now. So if we get the rejection here at this IB level. And I was really right on this original trade. Oh well. Probably. All right, we're at this IB level here. Just a bit of a stop run there. JP's sweating. We're all sweating. Ooh, gold's going straight up. I did get a capitulation candle. Not that that matters. Gold's just going to grind up from here, maybe. I don't know. It seems to be yesterday's VWAP level here. See if it holds. JP already ate 2 fingernails over his $42 drawdown. It's pretty funny. What's NQ doing? Looks like we got buyers stepping into NQ. Maybe we take a stab at that. Capitulation candle gave it a little signal there. Looking good. And it also went to the IB level. IB 50% low right here. So did I, actually. I added as well. I added as well. So does it find support here? Sure looks like it. Go long. I hate this illiquidity nonsense. All right, so I'll put my stop right below that level. Let's see if we can get a little bounce here. Doesn't look like it's happening. Possible continuation long. I took it. I'm in at 98.8. Nothing to hate about that. Well, it's just the liquidity is not the same as regular trading hours. This is so illiquid. I mean, if you watch the DOM, it's so thin. It's actually not that bad right now. I've seen it way worse. 5 ticks. Elon Musk's $1 trillion pay package got approved. $1 trillion. What? How's that possible? All right, I would say we have to bounce here. Otherwise, we're going back down to VWAP probably. Oh, I don't trust gold CVD at all. Not even a little bit. Because you have like central banks and governments buying gold futures contracts to hedge their positions in actual gold. So crazy things can happen in gold CVD. It can go up all day while price goes down all day. Huge accumulation distribution over the course of days, weeks. So you get really funky CVDs. Same thing in other commodities. Oil, soybeans, corn. It's different in stock indexes. There tends to be more intraday players. Lean hog. Yeah, baby. Love me some lean hog. Live cattle, feeder cattle. Actually, guys, I'm going on. We're going to start trading some feeder cattle. It's my new market of choice. Who's going to join me? I'm going to become a feeder cattle specialist. Look at the chart. No, there's flat glass futures. All right, what do we got? Oof. Nice price discovery continuation shorts off the weekly lower band there. And feeder cattle. Nice bounce. Yeah, look at the 5-minute chart. Looks better on the 5-minute chart. There we go. Do soybean. We're now soybean traders, guys. This is what we're doing. If you don't want to trade soybeans, I can't help you. Nice B Smitty. Nice trade. Soy boy. What about we can do platinum? You'd be like trendline Tory. Platinum traders. I'm abandoning the VWAP Wave System, and I'm now trading platinum with trend lines. So we're going to get rid of all of this. And here we go. All right, we should have bought right here. That was the buy spot, guys. Trend lines and vibes. To keep ourselves entertained this late hour. Who's Miss Rachel? I don't see any reversal spots on NQ up until probably 75, 375. We're right at kind of this point of control here in this distribution. So we could sell off back to for the currently. $321 point of control. OJ futures. Yep. Why not? OJ and coffee. My new specialty. There very well might be. I mean, avocado farmers need to hedge their crops too, don't they? There must be some type of futures market for avocados, I would imagine. JP's fading me. This is so slow. Well, YouTube's pretty quiet. I think the Japanese are going to be looking to buy gold. What do you guys think? I think the Japanese are in a gold buying mood. If I were Japanese, I'd be looking to buy gold. It is. It's cheap. Sub 4,000 an ounce gold. Count me in. This thing's going to 5,000. I think that's what Bank of America said, right? 5,000 an ounce gold. So you can get it off for $1,000 right now. Why aren't we loading up on gold? It's a guaranteed 20% profit. Max leverage. That sounds like a terrible idea. I'm going to take out a second mortgage on the house, buy everything in gold, put it in a safe in my closet. What could go wrong? It's pretty much guaranteed free money. Looks like Bitcoin's going to retest 100,000. Maybe today, Black Friday. Personal loans. Well, credit cards are good. Cash advance on a credit card. What's the interest rate on that? 28%, 29%? So if you make 29% on your money, you could break even in a year. True. They'll never know, would they, Jake? The only thing that you would have to sacrifice is your credit. Can't take your home. Sorry, I was making an assumption. Well, hopefully the Japanese get really excited about this amazing dip buy opportunity they're being presented with right here. What do you mean, JP? The Europeans make sure they have the money to buy something before they buy it? Is that what you're trying to tell me? If you can't afford it, you just don't buy it? What is this nonsense? Right, Jake? Yeah. Doesn't matter if you can afford it or not. That's what credit cards are for. All right. I'm not feeling great about this long anymore. If we can hold VWAP, weekly VWAP, and this IB extension are all lined up in the same spot, the Japanese are going to come in and scoop it all up. Yeah, mine's working. Sometimes you need to check the volume on it. Volume sometimes gets turned off when you reset it or you close it and reopen it. Check your volume settings. All right, guys, I'm going to shut down here because I got to get ready for a inner circle class here in about 5 minutes. So we'll be back at it for real liquid trading, 9:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. You should come join us. That's where I have actual good performances trading. Show up for soybeans and lean hogs, 9:30 a.m. Wear your cowboy boots and cowboy hat, and we'll make some trades. Have a wonderful night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Premium members, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the New York Open. For those of you on YouTube, we'll be going live around 10 a.m. on the delayed feed. If you're going to continue trading tonight, manage your risk, stay sharp. And for those of you in the Discord, you can head on over to the voice channels and continue to trade with your fellow VWAP Wave traders. And we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.